The replacement for the legendary F-22 Raptor is finally moving closer to reality. The United States Air Force's highly ambitious sixth-generation fighter program is now progressing toward what military leaders describe as the future of air dominance. Designed to eventually replace the mighty Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, this next-generation system could redefine aerial warfare for decades to come. Known as the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, or NGAD, the project has remained one of the most secretive military aviation efforts in modern history. Yet despite the silence surrounding the program, top Air Force officials continue to confirm that development is advancing according to plan. In today's rapidly changing global security environment, sixth-generation fighters are becoming a strategic necessity. While nations such as Russia and China are racing to develop advanced stealth aircraft of their own, the United States appears determined to stay ahead in the battle for air superiority. Interest in the NGAD program exploded after former Assistant Secretary of the Air Force for Acquisition, Technology, and Logistics, Will Roper, revealed that a full-scale prototype had already flown in secret. The announcement shocked many defense analysts and confirmed that America's next air superiority fighter was no longer just a concept. Speaking during the Air, Space, and Cyber Conference, military officials remained cautious about revealing details. Duke Richardson, military deputy in the Office of the Assistant Secretary of the Air Force for Acquisition, stated that the program continues to progress as planned, but emphasized that much of the project remains classified. Air Combat Command Chief General Mark Kelly later reinforced the importance of the sixth-generation fighter, describing it as the Air Force's #1 modernization priority. He warned that the United States cannot afford to fall behind in future air combat. "We don't want to come in second in air superiority," Kelly said. "We are in the business of putting adversary airplanes in the dirt." According to aerospace analysts, the sixth-generation fighter is expected to operate at significantly longer ranges than current stealth aircraft. Concept images released by the U.S. Air Force suggest a large blended-wing design with massive internal fuel capacity and expanded weapons bays, allowing the aircraft to travel farther while remaining stealthy. Unlike previous fighters, NGAD is being designed to dominate across multiple spectrums of warfare. The aircraft is expected to operate not only in traditional radio frequency environments, but also within highly contested electronic battle spaces filled with advanced jamming systems and enemy sensors. The Air Force has described NGAD not as a single aircraft, but as a family of systems. This means the fighter could operate alongside drones, unmanned combat aircraft, electronic warfare platforms, and advanced networking systems, all connected through artificial intelligence and real-time battlefield data sharing. This marks a major evolution beyond fifth-generation aircraft like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. Traditional fifth-generation fighters are known for 5 key characteristics: stealth, advanced maneuverability, cutting-edge avionics, multi-role capability, and sensor fusion. Sixth-generation fighters are expected to go even further. Many defense experts believe future aircraft may have optional manning capability, meaning they could fly with or without a pilot on board. Others predict NGAD will work closely with autonomous, loyal wingman drones capable of scouting targets, carrying weapons, conducting electronic warfare, or sacrificing themselves in combat missions. Artificial intelligence will likely play a massive role in reducing pilot workload. Advanced AI-driven systems could process battlefield information instantly, helping pilots react faster than ever before in high-speed air combat. Swarm drone technology is also expected to become a core feature of sixth-generation warfare. Instead of relying on a single aircraft, future missions may involve entire formations of coordinated drones working together with human pilots in extremely hostile environments. Another major advantage may come from advanced electronic warfare systems and revolutionary stealth technologies. Some analysts speculate the aircraft could utilize experimental systems such as laser-induced plasma filament holograms designed to confuse enemy radar and incoming infrared missiles. There has also been renewed interest in concepts inspired by the X-44 Manta, a radical tailless aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin and NASA. The aircraft eliminated traditional tail surfaces and relied heavily on thrust vectoring for maneuverability. The lack of a tail section dramatically reduced radar signature, potentially making the aircraft even stealthier than the F-22 and F-35. Modern NGAD renderings appear to share several similarities with the tailless X-44 concept, suggesting that some of its ideas may finally become reality. More than 2 decades after the X-44 Manta was first studied, its futuristic design philosophy may now be helping shape America's next air superiority fighter. The push towards 6th-generation aircraft also reflects lessons learned from earlier stealth programs such as the F-22 Strike Raptor. Originally envisioned as a stealthy long-range strike bomber derived from the F-22, the F-22 promised deep penetration capabilities and massive payload capacity. However, the program was eventually cancelled in 2006, especially after F-22 production itself ended in 2011. Despite its cancellation, many of the ideas explored during the F-22 program may have influenced future NGAD concepts. Today, the race for 6th-generation dominance is accelerating faster than ever. With rising tensions across the Indo-Pacific and increasing competition from China and Russia, the future of air warfare may soon depend on who masters stealth, artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, and next-generation networking first. And if current reports are accurate, America's replacement for the F-22 Raptor may already be flying in the shadows.